Alright folks, we have a 2002 Nissan Xterra and we have an ABS light that has come on, and we're going to see what the code is. And this is going to be on my Foxwell scan code reader here, NT630 Pro. I think it's about a year old, and you can see it does engine, it does ABS, the SRS, does steering and all that. So we're going to go ahead and see what we got here. So the first thing we got to do is hit the arrow to the right and go to the ABS SRS, and now we'll hit enter. Now this will probably take a little while to do, probably 4 or 5 minutes to get your codes out here, because we got to leave the engine running. At least I'm going to at this point. And here, once we get to that point, we got Asian, European, USA. Of course, this is an Asian car. We'll hit enter. And we got all the options here. We'll go all the way down to Nissan. All right, we'll hit that for Nissan. Oops, did I hit Nissan? I don't think I did. I may have to go back. Go back, make sure. Nope, it went to Kia. There we go. Nissan, there we go. Sometimes these keys like to go a little slower than you'd like, so we hit that for Nissan. Just to show you I am human, I do make mistakes. And here you have 3 selections. You go automatic, you can go to system selection or manual selection. I always go to system selection. You can try the automatic selection, but sometimes for some reason the automatic selection doesn't work for me, but it seems like system selection works better, so I know exactly what I want to do. So I want to do an auto scan, and we'll just do an auto scan. Now this will do the ABS and the SRS, so this will take probably a couple of minutes. You can see it's at 17%. It's scanning the ABS right now, and now we'll come back here when it's done. Like I said, it'll take a minute. Oh, there's 33. It's doing the airbag first. Now you can probably do the ABS first, then the airbag, but since I'm doing an auto scan, it just automatically does whatever it's programmed to do. The ABS is first, and now we're doing the airbag, scanning that, 67%. Well, I think we'll just let it roll here and see how long it actually does take. Now, from what I understand, this code, this ABS issue that's going to come up is pretty common on these Xterras. I'm hoping it's a sensor on the wheel, but from what I've been told, we'll see if this guy is right, what he said it was. We're still scanning here. I have not updated this scan tool either since I've gotten it. Probably time for me to update it, hook it to a computer. All right, we're still at 83%, scanning still. Like I said, it takes a couple of minutes, so we'll come back here in a second when it's just about done. Okay, so I just finished scanning the ABS, and you can see I do have a fault code. Now it's going to go ahead and scan the airbag, and it takes just about as long. We'll come back when that's done. So altogether, like I said, scanning both of these codes takes about 3 to 4 minutes, so you have to have a little patience. And after about a minute, we have now scanned the airbag, and it says I have a fault code there too. But the code I have right now is for the ABS on the dash. I don't really have a light for the airbag. So let's go ahead and see what we got for the ABS. We'll hit enter. This will probably take a second to go ahead and get this code also. All right. Now you have 3. When you do that, you'll have 3 options here. And what you want to do at this point, hit other than items below, because the other 2 are in different languages. So we'll hit enter, and of course now it's communicating, and this time we should be able to see our codes once this is done working, if I remember right. Alright, so we got that pop up. Now we got ECU information, read codes, blah blah, read race codes, live data. Just scroll down and read the codes. And I apologize for the dog next door or barking. I'll try to do this without him getting in on the audio. And now we're communicating, and we should be able to get these codes here and see what's going on. There we go. There is our code. C113G sensor. Yep, the guy was right. What it is, there's a little box up under the dash here. It's a little cube that apparently controls the ABS. It's some kind of a sensor. So this is basically what our issue is, and there is the code, and that's how you get the code off the Foxwell scan code reader. Now let's go ahead and see if we can find out what other code we had here, just out of curiosity. We had a airbag code that came up. I want to see what that was. Let's go down to the airbag. Scroll down. Alright. Grab it with my hand. Let's do it one more time here. Oh, whoops, there we go. Alright. So it says I have an airbag fault code. Hopefully you can still see this, guys. Alright. Alright, I'm going to hit enter on the airbag and see what we got for the code. I'm doing this with one hand and holding the camera in the other. Alright, so ECU type, I have no idea. We'll hit the first one and see what it says, just for the heck of it. Read code. Communicating with the vehicle again. Get the camera here holding a little bit steadier for you guys. And we should be coming up. Driver airbag module B1054. Interesting. Alright, let's go back and see what the other option here was for that. That was interesting. Let's go down to number 2. ECU type. I'm not sure what that means. Maybe I just got lucky and hit the right one. Alright, we'll read codes on this one. See what we got. I do have a lifter ticking. I want to put lifters in the right bank 1, which is real easy to do. Just started ticking the other day. I don't know if you can hear that or not. Alright, so hopefully we're just about done here. Driver airbag module B1045. So same code. Alright, so there you go. That's how you can get your codes off of this Foxwell scan tool. I am not a sponsor. This is something I paid for out of my own pocket a year ago. So if you have a Nissan, it's really nice to have this scan tool, or any other scan tool actually, that has the systems where you can actually go in and do your ABS and your airbag and everything else. So that's it. So we'll go ahead and we'll I'll tell you what, I'll put a picture of this little box that's under here in a second in the video, and here's what it looks like. And that's apparently something I've got to get in here and dig out and change out. Also, I've got to check about this airbag, but I don't have an airbag light that has come on, so let's turn it off, and I'm turning the key on and see where is the airbag light. There's the airbag light up there. Now if I start it, there's the airbag light. See if it goes off. It goes off. So, well, it's flashing because I don't have my seatbelt on. Let's put the seatbelt on and see what happens. Oh, you know what? I'm wrong. It does. There is a problem. I've got my seatbelt on now, and check that out. It is flashing. So the whole time I wasn't really paying attention. Since I've been driving this vehicle the last few days, I just got it fixed. And it turns out that flashing means that I have an airbag problem. So I learned something today. I'll put it down and drive. And you see it's still flashing. So I actually have a fault code for the airbag. So that is good to know. So hopefully I'll get that fixed. So there you go, guys. Nice little scan tool. And it's always fun to play with these and see what they can do. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Until then, I'll see you later, and when I go to fix this, I'll put this little box in and show you guys how to do it, and we'll get this airbag light off, actually the ABS off later. Now, if I shut it off and start it up, sometimes the ABS will go off. The light just kind of comes and goes on the ABS. So, but this thing here is staying on, so definitely have to get this guy here figured out. All right, thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you later.